Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could convert your PDF file into Microsoft Excel. To do that, you need to select your PDF file. You click on it with the right button of the mouse and you select Open With. Once this little panel opens, make sure to select Choose Another Application. Then scroll down to the bottom and select or click on More Applications. Scroll down to locate Word and click OK. Once done, the Word application will open for you and your file has been converted. You might receive a message asking you to confirm if you really want Word to convert the PDF Acrobat file or the PDF file into Word format. Just click OK. Once done, click in your table data and click on these little arrows to select everything. Ctrl+C to copy everything. Go to your search tab and open your Excel application. Once done, click on blank workbook. Click on the first square or wherever you want and Ctrl+V to paste. Once done, select everything, remove wrap text and select the 3 or 4 whatever lines, and you can start re-editing your table or your data. Once you have finished with editing your data, you can just click on save and you could select the location where you want to save, and you can, once done, you can re-edit the name and select the type under which you want to save your new file. You can save it under Excel, PDF or whatever format you want. Once done, click save and your data has been saved. Here I'm saving with the same name, so I will just name it 125 and I will select Excel workbook and I will click save and I should have it. Once done, you can go ahead, close everything including Word, and here I have my Excel file originating from my PDF. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you can always press like, share and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.